If you're a homeowner sitting on equity, let me share 3 top ways that you can use tax-free money to grow your wealth. First, you can refinance your property and buy a rental property. This is a great way to grow wealth and let someone else pay for the property while it appreciates and they pay down your mortgage. And you're using your equity from your home, which is tax-free money. The second way is by using the money to refinancing your house, using the equity to improve your existing property. So you're taking the money from your house, you're investing it in your home, and that's going to grow, that's going to build more equity because your house is going to be worth more when the renovations are done and you didn't use your own cash to do so. That is tax-free money working for you. And the final way, and this is something that I really like doing, but you do need to speak to a financial advisor to see if this is the right plan for you. And what some of my clients have done recently is refinance their house, invest some of that money, whether it's an RSP, a registered fund, a GIC, whatever the case is. But in this case, my clients used their money, invested into their RSPs, and then they took the tax refund and applied it as a prepayment on their mortgage. They're using tax-free money to grow their wealth. If you like these or any other strategies I talk about, please give me a call anytime. I'd love to share my knowledge with you and help you grow your wealth with your tax-free dollars. If you're a homeowner sitting on equity, call me today. Erica Vincelli, mortgage agent. I'll talk to you soon.